The best opportunity right now in 2025, heading into June, summertime, is Save Good. Okay, right now, tens of thousands of people per month are joining. It kicks off officially June 1st, but if you're building a team or building a downline in any online business, you need to join during the pre-launch. We got 18 days, okay, to do that. And right now, my first couple weeks, I've pulled in about $2,000. I'm number 10 in the world right now as far as having people sign up. So if you do join, I'm going to send you an email and show you and tell you exactly what I do for free. Okay, but we need to act on this now. All right, Save Club. Look at it right there. ilovesaveclub.com. Go ahead and just enter your information. Hit the button to lock in, and I'll send you an email. And let's get going. Let's save you some money and earn you some money too. Okay, guys. Thanks for your time. ilovesaveclub.com. All right, that's it. Thanks.